we are in Portland now. My favorite trees, and I'm standing in the middle of the. Oops. Crystal, good morning.
Good morning, I'm here editing video coming up soon.
Yes, and this is Sarah.
And this is Blossom.
And this is Ahu. What's your name? You miss?
You can name him Spotty. His name is Spotty, okay? So I don't have a name for him. Spotty, come here.
Spotty does sound sad.
I ain't him that, he just coming on my head.
Spotty sound like you have disease or something.
We didn't have a Spotty then back in the day, we're sure about that. Spotty, lighten you me?
We're making a chart for leaf drop. Yeah. So this is 200-pound leader. So we're putting some notch to take the hooks.
So you're fishing in.
Yep. So we're gonna go fishing sometime soon.
I mean, I'm totally new to this thing. Also, you do that you catch more fish, or just to make sure you catch at least one fish on any one of them hook?
Yeah, you do it to increase your chance because we're fishing so deep. We're fishing over 1,300 feet.
Wow.
So the more hook, the more chances.
Yeah, that made it figure, but I wasn't sure. You do spear fishing too? You ever try it?
No, back in the days when I was young, I went all the time.
Uh-huh. I don't think I would catch anything, Blossom. You think you would catch anything with spear fishing?
Yeah.
Eh?
Spear fishing, yeah.
You good girl. Okay. That's hard. People always ask me if they have sharks there in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yes, we do.
Yeah, but only we sharks, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Black tip,
Thick-
white tip, hammerhead, lemon.
Yeah, we know the ordinary one, harmless, flush, not so bad ones. We don't have the great white and
No. Water too warm for great white.
So what are you doing? Just the ones that are here?
Black tip, white tip, hammerhead, lemon,
How
tiger shark.
am I? Those ones.
but they're not really one nothing for me. I never see one since me here in Jamaica.
Sharks are kind of dangerous if them bite you.
Yes, I know it
Hi.
can.
But you know,
But as long as you don't go over the reef part like me, think you're good as a swimmer. Don't give me that look.
You have to ask.
Nobody near me yet, man.
You want to try?
I'm gonna send you in there first.
Yeah, no you would.
I'm gonna go swim how many times I know. The only thing I see is like stingray that I remember.
Blossom, look at us too.
You're in
Then
the
we click on
thumbnail.
us. Should I?
Guys, you
Yeah,
have a
click on
new
us.
thumbnail.
Wow.
Video soon coming out.
This is a nice pic.
But the day one come up the man here, we don't like that.
You don't like that fine? Okay. Smaller.
That means if anybody want charter, you can charter. You have to go deep sea fishing and anything.
The charter fishing. Catch blue marlin, my tuna, wow, snappers.
Wow, that's nice. So they can charter you for the whole day as long as they wish.
As long as they wish.
You have a website too? Or they can reach you?
Instagram.
The website like doing some soon, you know, sir.
You
Use the
next.
next one.
I would love to go
Computer guy
all
up there
around the
or
island, but I guess there's so much gas don't exist. But anyway guys, if you ever need a boat, come here to Portland, go to Craig, he's the best. Right, Blossom?
Yeah. Take her around all beach hopping,
Yeah, and Blue Lagoon if you want to.
Frenchman's Cove, Winnifred.
Yeah.
Big dog status, I'm a big dog vet. I pull up on the block in a big Corvette.
Hey guys, good morning again. So I want to try this chicken and chips Back in the day, it was a blue pack like without the spicy. I know. I noticed they have the spicy ones here, so I want to give them a try. My video is here rendering, but I don't know what's happening. Hopefully the third time is a charm. Yeah, guys, so stay tuned. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Remember this from like grade 2, you know, these snacks. So the taste just like the last one. Oh no, it is spicy. Okay. So guys, it's been so funny because we're all over, right? So we've been in Mobay, we've been in Westmoreland. So now we're a bit behind on the editing because, you know, internet and so, but and also time. I just edited this video. It's our first day now in Jamaica. I'm the one that I just edited, and can't believe, guys, already 1 week now. It's crazy. It's so crazy. Time is going by too fast, man. Now we're in Portland, and I guess we'll go and catch some water, and we'll go and see some bees and go to another adventure. Yeah, I hope to upload the video before that. Let's see how it goes. Or maybe I upload it after. Miss Blossom over there washing and cooking roasting breadfruit. Yardman style. So guys, we made it here now. Come catch water, but look at the scene. Look at the scenery, guys. It's so beautiful up here in Portland.
What, Miss White?
Hello, Miss White. So this is the spring water, sir?
Yeah.
Oh.
Straight from the mountain.
Straight from the mountain. How do you manage to connect the pipe? So far ago?
Yeah.
The pipe goes so far up.
Yeah, but my reservoir, I like to catch me in a couple of nights.
Okay. In the hills over there.
So you're just sitting and watch me.
Huh?
You just sit down, you know, and to see how I take water.
Oh gosh. Blossom has you. Blossom has you now. And me. Where that should the buckle in. Why? They don't want to know. Dang da dang da dang.
I want more left.
The Strong Mountain over there.
It's a really nice day, living in the right space. Breathing your grace, got me feeling some kind of way. Yeah, you're keeping me sane, got me in my right brain. I can't explain, but I'm feeling some kind of way. You know what you see is what you find. You just keep the peace in my mind. And you know I believe in no sign. 'Cause no matter where I go,
dala din sa contribution.
So this is the Winnifred village. This is after Frenchman School. Frenchman School over the main chapel and this one.
I believe this is the one where most of the local school where it has a small building.
Oh man, tree this. I can see rough door. Yeah man, next Jamaica. Nice Jamaica. Blue hole again. The water don't look so pretty right now.
No.
The boat of us don't look proper. It don't look oh, like to wash up a shore, eh?
Because you had thing a blue lagoon when then a blue one when
And you get washed up?
and then yeah, right there.
Look at the little ship. And then it continues. It continues. Oh gosh. Hello. I'm fine. Huh? What do you draw? Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah, the national bird, we use it for drinking, for pencils and flowers. And I can also put your name on. If you want to make a gift, I can put your name on.
Okay.
And the price is very low.
Tell them where you're located and
I'm living in Ferry Hill, 1 mile from here.
Yeah.
And this is my job that I do. I also do farming too, but I do artwork from bamboo.
No man, guys, come support him. What else you have here?
I asked you your name something. This is sometimes I make calabash too, you know, but I'm not calabash.
Gosh, them sweet, no, them nice. But you know, we're just making some content.
Okay, alright then.
Hopefully they can link.
Yeah man, yeah.
Alright, you always out here?
Eh?
You always out here?
If I resort here?
Yeah,
No.
Fair here, they say.
Just resident, you know?
Okay. Nice
Alright,
meeting you.
respect, yeah.
Respect. So guys, we are contemplating swimming today, you know. And I even put on my bathsuit and everything, but the water is not the clearest because it rained yesterday and this morning. But it's okay, it's just so nice to be walking on the beach. I'm so happy and I'm so grateful. Look at the tourist shops. Hello.
Try use it for
That's right. It's more and more.
What is this here with you?
Other one them right. Yeah, so you're gonna put the light and also rest there. Come. Yeah. Press. Right.
Look now, push up somewhere. You carry it out?
Try and get it sometime, me not get it.
Let me try.
You never could learn that ever.
She did it. Why? I want to try.
But don't left.
Oh, years.
But before you try me Thursday, I have to try. I'm sorry if I get my manners post.
Yes.
Listen, miss it.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
Like this?
I catch you on your big finger, right? Nice.
Oh, let me just try that was in a workout thing.
Ah, that's perfect.
Don't make you.
So one of us must can do it, man.
Is that that thing?
Yeah.
And then your price down. Brace up your finger, hold firm.
Oh, yes, the first hold it like this.
And brace
Oh, it looks so simple when you do it, man, and they are going like a some.
Alright, open it for me, please. Make it for me.
Alright, jetzt kommt der Fachmann, Leute.
Oh, gosh.
That was too fast. You can't do
Put me
it.
to shame.
Camera, please.
I will learn it before the end of this trip.
Hey, guys, we are at the beach.
Oh,
Gross.
You don't put your drink.
When I said we in Jamaica, like all those years, we did miss like cases on the top. It's like one piece of cake. Like we eat here about 2 times since we there in Germany. It's so weird, don't?
yeah, this is better than the breakfast we have been trying.
Come on, man. This is not really, as I tell them, it's not a real big fan of bread. We eat for them.
Don't worry about that, man. Maybe eat your share. Eat up. But even if you live down here, so maybe you can get it, that's enough. It's not like me have.